My favourite thing from today is when we did the outside activity, when we did synchronised diving movements. We were basically put into partners, and we had a set of movements that we had to copy at the exact same time.
So hand up, hand down, clap, clap, both hands up. We looked at how difficult it is to do mixed synchronised diving. It's debuting in Birmingham for the Commonwealth 2022 Games, and having a man and woman do a synchronised dive is really difficult because of their body differences. So the kids had a go at doing lots of fun activities outside, where we looked at, first of all, just doing synchronised acts together and how difficult it is for them to learn that.
Today we learned how to find the centre of mass in the object.
So the ruler activity, where we put our hands on the fingers on the end, and then the idea was to pull your hands together. And as you do that, you naturally find the centre of mass of the ruler.
My favourite thing today was balancing the dinosaur on my finger.
So in this particular case, the bird's centre of mass is on that beak. So even though there's other bits it's got, most of the mass is concentrated somewhere over here. So it's able to do that, and it looks like magic, but it's just a bit of science.
My favourite part from today was making the rainbow. So we coloured the water in 3 different colours, red, yellow and blue. So the blue we put lots of salt in, and the yellow one we put a bit of salt, and the red one we kept it the same. We had these testing tubes and we put the colours in them. First we put blue right at the bottom, then we put the yellow, and then we put the red at the top.
So the more salt you have in there, the more dense the water becomes. Okay, so the blue ones had the most density, then the yellow had the middle density, and the red was just water, so it floated at the top. So we looked at the garment technologist and also pool technician. So we actually got to meet a pool operation manager when we went to the Sandwell Aquatic Centre, which was built for the Commonwealth Games. So we talked about the pool technician who would be working with the operations manager. And then the second one was the garment technologist, which links to NASA's development on developing materials, which are now also used in swimwear.
When I'm older, I want to be a garment technologist, as you can make all these cool and new different fabrics that are yet to be discovered. At school, you don't really get to experiment with many things. You're just writing down on a notepad and watching slideshows. But here, you actually get to do it in person. Science is fun.
I love science.
I love science to infinity and beyond.